Some people say learning Google Ads is very difficult, but you need to understand that the simple version of Facebook ads might not give you the best result except you dive deep into Facebook for business. I will explain the similarities and differences between the two most popular digital marketing platforms, how much it will cost you to advertise on them, and which one you should consider for your business promotion. If you're interested in learning digital marketing, especially paid social ads, or you want to promote your business with digital marketing, this video will be useful. So consider subscribing to this channel for more on Facebook ads, Google ads, Microsoft ads, and everything in between them. Yes, I know most of you don't know that Microsoft ads exists. As the internet is evolving and with the massive use of artificial intelligence, from an overall view, you might not notice the difference between these two platforms, except one is focused on social media advertising, while the other will help place your ads on social media and also outside the social media space. We know that time and money are limited, and they are major factors in business growth. So where you get quick results for your money matters. The two platforms have a lot of similarities, but a few significant differences will help you determine which is best for your business. Google Ads is an online advertising platform owned by Google that allows businesses to display their ads on Google search result pages, YouTube videos, mobile apps, and various other websites and platforms that are part of the Google network. On the other hand, Facebook Ads is an online advertising platform owned by Facebook that allows businesses to display adverts on Facebook platforms like the Facebook website and app, Instagram apps, and Oculus mobile app. These platforms display a variety of formats including text, images, videos, and carousels for your adverts, and they can be targeted to extremely specific audiences. Traditionally, Google Ads is a paid search, and a paid search means that you are paying to have your adverts placed on a search engine page result. Google Ads handles over 5 billion searches every day on its website. This is one feature that Facebook Ads doesn't have. And the advantage of this type of advertising is that your adverts are placed right in front of people searching for what you are selling or things related to what you are selling. And this type of audience has a better chance to patronize what you are selling because they are searching for them. Now, imagine your product being advertised on a platform that has over 5 billion eyes on it every day. For Facebook ads, their major app is Facebook and has an estimate of 1.7 billion active users on their platform daily. And a good number of these users use a mobile phone to access Facebook. So this leads to the first question you need to ask yourself. Who do you want your adverts to reach? That is your target audience. Are they mostly active on social media or are they search oriented? So when you know the answer to this question, you are on the right track to achieving a successful ad campaign. The next factor to consider is the cost of advertising on these platforms. Generally, Facebook ad is presumed to be cheaper compared to Google search promotions, which is based on cost per click. Cost per click, or CPC, means you pay each time someone clicks on your advert. However, when you consider other platforms under Google ads like YouTube ads, which is based on click per view and click per mille, you will see that there is basically no cost difference between both platforms. One of the most expensive ad type is the Google Ads search. It places your advert on the search engine result pages and can cost about $1 per click, while businesses in the legal and finance industry can spend up to $6 per click. This also depends on the region you are targeting. For example, for the same campaign type targeting an audience in Nigeria or some third world countries, the price or the cost won't be as much as this. For Facebook ads, a click can cost an average of 5 cents and up to $3 for businesses in high CPM industries like real estate and finance. If you're on a low budget, you can start with Facebook ads, which tends to be cheaper, but Google Ads search will give you a better result. I will quickly walk you through the campaign objectives in Google Ads and Facebook ads. These campaign objectives are pre-designed strategies you can use to achieve different advertising goals. Facebook has 6 campaign objectives, while Google has 7. However, Google has an extra option of going pro. That is, you can create your own custom campaign objective that suits the goal of your promotions. On Google Ads, they have this pre-designed campaign meant to achieve sales objective. You want to reach people who are likely to purchase your product or service, then you can use this sales campaign objective. With the lead objective, you can get leads and other conversions by encouraging customers to take action on your ads. With the web traffic objective, you can get the right people to visit your website. Then for the product and brand consideration, with this objective, you can encourage people to explore your products and services. For brand awareness and reach, you can use this objective to reach a broader audience and build awareness. This will be useful if you have a new brand or a new product or services that you want to create awareness on. Then for the app promotion, this will get more people to install, engage, and pre-register for your app. For the local store visit and promotion, this will drive visits to local shops, including restaurants and dealerships. This particular objective is meant for physical local shops with the help of other Google technologies that can track users and know when they visit a particular location or a particular shop. So with this particular campaign strategy, it will make it easy for you to build a campaign that will achieve this particular goal. Then for the custom campaign, you can choose the custom campaign if the previous campaign objective do not suit your advertising goal. So with this, you can customize whatever thing you want to achieve. Then on Facebook, they have campaign objectives like awareness, which is similar to Google Ads brand awareness and reach. So with this, you can show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. This type of campaign is suitable for businesses that have a new product in the market and want to create awareness about the product. Then the traffic objective is similar to the Google Ads website traffic. This will send people to a destination such as your website, app, or landing page. Then for the engagement objective, you can get more messages, video views, posts, engagements, page likes. So this is suitable if your brand is new on Facebook and you want more engagement within your space. For the lead campaign objective, which is similar to Google Ads leads, this will enable you to collect leads for your business or brand. This is suitable when you want to generate leads for your business by making them submit instant forms, messages, and making calls. For the app promotion, it's also similar to the Google Ads app promotion. You can find new people to install your apps and continue using them. So if you are launching a new app, this will be the best objective for you. Then for sales, which is also similar to Google Ads sales, you can find people who are likely to purchase your product or service. So this particular campaign is meant for high sales conversion. From the campaign objectives, there are similarities between the two platforms, but on Google Ads, you can go a little deeper to fine-tune your campaign strategies. The next factor you need to consider is your type of business. Facebook often works better for businesses selling directly to consumers, especially those selling less expensive items like bags, shoes, or dresses, since people are more likely to impulsively buy these items when they are exposed to them a few times. But for businesses selling to businesses, that is B2B, like you sell office equipment, provide enterprise solutions, logistics, or HR services to other business, Google Ads will be a better platform to launch your advert. Your target audience also affects which platform you should use. If people search for your product or service with the intent to buy, Google Ads will probably bring the best result. But if you are trying to build an audience for a new product, Facebook ads will typically work better. Google Ads is great for targeting bottom of the funnel prospects, that is people who are at the verge of buying, while Facebook ads is great for targeting people at the top of the funnel, that is people who are not too sure of buying, who are still walking around not having that intention to buy. If you want to gain more visibility to your product, brand, website, or landing page, Facebook will be cheaper to achieve this. But if you want your advert to be placed in front of people who are actively searching for a solution to a current need, Google Ads is better. Google Ads search is an effective way of driving quality traffic to your business by directing people who are actively searching for your product or services with a specific keyword. When a user types in a keyword in their search query, the result appears on the search engine result page, including your paid ad that targeted the keyword in the search. Can you use both platforms for your business? Yes. Like, you can use Facebook ads and Google ads to achieve your campaign goals. For example, you can use Facebook to create an awareness about your brand or your product, and then use Google ads to retarget people that have engaged with your adverts on Facebook. For example, a user saw your ads on a beautiful dress on Facebook and clicked on it, but probably they were not ready to make the purchase. So the next time they saw their old dress, they decided that it's time to upgrade, and now they went on to search for that particular red dress or that beautiful dress. So when they go on Google to search for a red dress where they can buy a red dress, your Google ads that you have already made to retarget people that have engaged with your advert or your content before will pop up. So this is a way of, reminding them that, okay, you have searched or seen this advert before, so you can have another opportunity to, make your purchase. So this is what we call retargeting. That's when you try to reach out to people that have already engaged with your content or your post or whatever thing on Facebook or on Google platforms. This also works in the reverse, like when someone searches for a particular item, probably what you are selling, on the Google search, and your ads appear in the search result, and they click on it, and probably they are not ready to make the purchase. The next time they go to Facebook, that your ads will keep on showing on their face, as a reminder. So they might end up, making the purchase after a few exposure to your ads. So this is how it works. If you're on a small budget and you're selling directly to customers and not businesses, then you can consider Facebook ads. You can also use YouTube ads, which is also under Google ads. But if you're on a sizable budget and you want quick results, then Google Ads search will work great. You shouldn't limit your use of these platforms based on these suggestions. Digital marketing is like creativity. What works for business A might not work for business B. And it also all depends on how creative you are with the tools you are working with and how good you are at interpreting data that are available to you. If you want to be part of my next training on digital marketing and also receive weekly tips on digital marketing, sign up with the link in the description, and also give this video a thumbs up if it was useful. So which of these platforms are you currently using, and which will you want to know more about? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.